Okay, let's talk about today's trades and the overall market. So, market slowly inching forward. It's going forward or up, but it's very slow. Um, some breakouts are not really holding. Uh, I don't know how to explain the market, but there's a lot of setups. Some of them are failing. Some of them are working, but the ones that are working are the ones that kind of broke out during this time period. Like for example, app. It broke out here on 9/11, which is same day here, and then it broke out a couple days before that. Those are the big ones that I can remember off the top of my head so far. Um, yeah. Anyways, TSLT still in this Tesla. I'm in this one because it's cheaper, get more size in there, and it's leveraged. So I sold some today at 18.20, right here early in the morning. When it went straight up on like the first 15-minute candle, I sold it here at 8.20, 8.22ish. Sold a fourth of my size, so gonna plan on holding this until either gets stopped out or it breaks under the 10-day moving average. And hopefully this thing can run up to 20 again, or let's go look at the chart on Tesla. Sorry. Hope this thing can run up to these highs around 260, 265, create another base, and then break out again. That'd be nice. Or, just run up to 400 again. That'd be nice. Just straight run up. That'd be cool too. But, obviously, would like for it to come up a little bit more, create another base, and then I can enter in again. So, I'm still in this one. I had a buy it here this day. I mean, I don't know why I could have been here, but oh well. It is what it is. And then I tried AFRM today. In the morning, it looked great in the morning. Broke out around 2.3%, which I was like, you know what? I'll get in a little early, which caused me to lose money. But I think it was a good trade, good opportunity, but it just failed. So hopefully, it can maybe by Friday or Monday morning come back up again over the 10-day moving average, tighten up, and then we'll get some tightness, and we'll get a breakout. Hopefully that we can do that. But I'm gonna show you my entry from today. I'm screenshotting it right now on my software. There we go. So this was my entry today on AFRM. This is the 2-minute. Okay, well, let me see if I can show you the 5. It was towards the high on the 5-minute. If you can probably see it in this 2-minute chart, but I'd rather show you in the 5. Here you go. So as you can see, it was towards the high of the 5. I was waiting for this one. In the morning, it was pretty weak. It opened up here. Oh, that's weird. Hold on, go back. It opened up here and right around here, and then just went down and just chopping around for a couple minutes here, and just went straight up. I was like, okay, let me buy some. So I bought some right at the high of the 5-minute candle, and then it just got sold off all day. Not that much of a big move in terms of on the downside. Not drastic, or the setup isn't in play anymore. But the reason why I bought it today is because yesterday it had this huge intraday to the downside, almost 5%, and it recovered it all the way up in the let's see, um, last 4 hours of the day, or I guess half of the day. So the second half of the day, it recovered it all. So I thought that was very strong. Showed some strength. And I thought today, if it kind of broke out a little bit, I'd buy it. But, hopefully it creates a better setup in a couple days, maybe. Let's see. In 4 or 5 days. Hopefully by Friday. Tight day tomorrow. And then we got to break out Friday. Or Monday. Who cares? But Nice breakout would be nice. So that's all I have so far. I don't have anything else. Kind of like a small red day overall in the market. Um, Nvidia missed Nvidia yesterday, which pissed me off. I'm still pissed off about that one. I would have bought the leveraged ETF of it, which is this one. Um, yeah, pissed off about that one. But let's look at the watch list that we have here. Till now, I'm kind of excited about this one, but the volume is very it's low. It's got very low liquidity. It only traded around 150,000 shares today. So we'll see if we can break out tomorrow. That'd be nice. That'd be really nice. Even though it's very low liquidity, I'm willing to risk. Buying it. Buying it at 90. That'd be nice. I mean, buying at 90. So it'll go up to 90. I think it's got a chance. We'll see you tomorrow. App still moving, still going up, still really strong. TVTX, couple of days sideways, get a nice breakout. Even though seems like a pretty horrible trader. Yeah. CRDO, this one's not really doing anything. IMRX, don't know what the news is behind it. I do have to do some more research. This came up on my scan recently. So it looks like a great setup. Just holding underneath the 10-day, the 200-day, sorry. Moving averages can break out of here. It can probably make a pretty big move up to around 5 or 6. I think it could. If the market gets a little bit more momentum going on too, so we get like a couple green days, I think it can easily push up to 5 or 6. Or this can easily come right back down to 150. Either way. Kava. Now, Kava has looked like a setup for almost a week. Looked like a setup here, and then looked like it broke out, right back down. Like, okay, it's setting up again. Setting up again. Okay, breakout. No, coming back down now. It looks like it's setting up again. But technically, I think if you would have bought it here, this should be in it. Very slow mover though. It's gone slower. I think around this time period is around a 5. I think because of this movement here was around a 5 ADR, but it's gone really slow. So I don't know if it's for me anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Lumen ran without me. Who cares? Clove, kind of similar to AFRM on the setup. So this was on my watch list for now. Hopefully this can break out. So very similar to AFRM in terms of the setup. I think so, but we'll see. I keep saying this has a nice setup. I think it could break out tomorrow, and we get a nice move. We'll see what happens. But I really like this setup. Didn't take it today. Didn't trust it in today. Also, there was not that much volume in the breakout. Technically, it was it was 4%, but didn't get baited into this one today. Nova just failing. Probably gonna take that one off the watch list. I probably should. There's nothing for me to do here. CDNA. I think it kind of lost its setup. Don't think it's really gonna be good trading anymore. But I'll just keep it on the watch list just to have. SOC. Hopefully this can tighten up. Go sideways a little bit more. Get a little tight, and then I'll rebuy it again. It did well for me here. But yeah, we'll see what happens. PLCE waiting for some more sideways. Yesterday did look like a breakout, but it wasn't so far. And hopefully I can get some couple tight dates, and then we'll get a nice breakout. Cores, missed this one. Or I was in it, but somehow I got stopped out. Neon, continuing its move. A couple more sideways days would say it's a nice breakout, but I don't know. I don't know if it's extended. Nah, it's only 30%. Yeah, I think it's, well, we'll see. We'll see. A couple more, couple more days. Maybe next week. Get a Well, nice breakout, hopefully. Wolf, this one, I think, just slight pullback day, but still broke out of the range. And it's holding, so we can see if it's going to continue tomorrow or not. ASTS failing. This one, I did perfect breakout on this day. This was my first day back when I caught it. So it was fantastic for me. Loved ASTS, WGS. It looks like it's just on the 10-day moving average. Seems like it's slowing down in terms of its ADR. So I think I'm just going to get rid of this. Not get rid of it, but kind of stop paying attention to it unless it gives us another setup. Alright, now let's look at the overall top 60 stocks in the market right now, supposedly. Keeper. It looked good earlier today, when it was all the way up here. I was hoping this one could hold here, and we can get a gap up tomorrow and get a short, but it looks like it's not going to happen. IKLB, pretty nice breakout on high volume too. Missed that one, it wasn't even on my radar. MMPR. I guess it's that's all right. Didn't show up on my radar at all either. So WVE, okay. This one kind of looks like I can set up, or like it's setting up. Let's put this on the watch list. Let's see, where can I? There we go. I can find it. Okay. TRML. See, a lot of these. I've noticed recently a lot of these industrial minerals have been going straight up. If you look at gold. Oops. No, not this. Which one? There's a. No. There's something associated with gold, but also silver. If you look at silver, it's gone. It's holding pretty well, but gold has done the same thing. I just don't know which stock it was, or I forgot. But the industrial minerals are doing well. I just don't know what specific one. If it's gold, silver, steel. Because I think X. Well, it's recovering, but not really. Nothing here. Nothing. Okay, see. Another industrial metals and minerals. What else? Swing, till, hut, app. You can see some of these are just creating new legs. Some of them are consolidating. And some of them are coming out from bases, bottom bases. A lot of these biotech ones are coming from the bottom. See, a lot of these are just not really setups. Don't even know what the news is on them, but they're creating legs. This one, seems really hard to trade. So this is the one I was talking about. CDE. It's made a pretty big move since March. 192%. Lumen. So yeah, AFRM looked good in the morning. This setup here, especially with the strength here, going undercutting the 10-day moving average and then just climbing all the way back up to green on the day, which is nuts. That was very strong, and I still think it's still intact. I think if we get a couple small green days going up here and get some tightness, we can easily get a breakout. To where? How high? I don't know, maybe 50. But that time will tell. First, the stock's got to break out, so. Or first, it's got to set up. PLC, still waiting for that one. AAOI, great breakout yesterday. We'll see if this holds. Missed this one yesterday, but oh well. PCT, nothing. NNE, it looks kind of nice here. It's got made a 130% move, going sideways. It looks like it's gonna create another flag similar to this one here, but just bigger. And if hopefully it can make a move like this, that'd be nice. That'd be very nice. Um, yeah, so I'm stuck in this one as well. That's what I should add to my. Then Lace, missed this one. This is a big time trade. And then BNZI. So whatever I have here is what I'm pretty much paying attention to. Nothing else really is important to me. Though not either that or they don't have setups. So that's all I'm paying attention to now. And that's it. Hopefully the market can speed up in terms of it going up faster, so we get some more momentum and more volatility. So that's what I'll be waiting for, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.